goodness. They're doing this again, but she's gonna go in the bigger one. So look at this win. Look at her face. Let's just admire how she's regretting to do this. Did you guys see that face? Look at this. She's gonna go right there. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh, she's regretting it. She's like, we gotta go, we gotta go, we gotta go. Oh, is she gonna do it? Guys, what is she doing? I hope you guys can see this. It's a little bit too far, but we got what we can get. She did it again! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, her hair. Do you guys see her hair? She covered it up for a reason. She almost tripped. Well, well, that's she can't see, so she's tripping on snow. Man, she's probably like, oh, man, I can't get back. I can't wait to get inside. All right, that's it.